Before September 11, 2001, had an airplane ever hit a New York City skyscraper?
There were at least 2 earlier accidental crashes. In 1945, a B-25 Mitchell bomber flying from Massachusetts to New Jersey hit the Empire State Building, killing all on board and 11 office workers. And in 1946, a Beechcraft C-45 Expeditor flying from Louisiana to New Jersey hit 40 Wall Street, the Bank of the Manhattan Company building, killing all on board, but luckily no one in the building. My name is Joseph Ditta. I'm a reference librarian at the New York Historical Society.